Hello everyone, this is Own Wall Street with thetradersperspective.com. Going to be taking a look here at gold, starting it off on the weekly time frame and then bouncing around from there. So just looking at this past week's action, completely broke back above the 1280 resistance area and managed to work its way all the way up to just shy of around 1297. And with the overall look of this move here and then just kind of zooming out and just taking a look at the recent past, this area here 1260s definitely held up extremely well, and given the recent weakness of the US dollar, looking like, and then also the dollar yen, it's just looking like we're going to go ahead and see maybe a little bit more of a push back down to test the recent breakout before we do see that nice move back into the 13. So let's drop to the daily time frame just to kind of get an idea of what we're looking at here. And again, the price did manage to break above the 1286 area and managed to grind its way up all the way to around 1296, 1297, let's call it at the peak here. And in looking at this price action, it looks like we'll probably have another push back down. Let's just drop down to this hourly time frame and get it over with. Looking at this hourly time frame here, I'd expect maybe a pullback to around 1287, 1286 area, and then we'll see another aggressive move here for gold. So that's just what I'm seeing here. On the hourly time frame, we had very tight price action here to the point where our 50 and 200 were very close to each other. And since we did not, we failed to break lower, the bulls came in and just charged very hard and aggressively all the way up to, like I said, those 1297s. And with that breakdown, or I'm sorry, with that retracement back down to around 1286 or so, um, the bulls should come back in yet again. And then looking at the 4 hour time frame that golden cross is starting here, it looks like this move is going to be quite aggressive. So look for, I'll be looking for personally an entry around 1286 or so, and then just kind of being patient, letting the price come back down. And then once that happens, I'll be looking for that upside, definitely into the 13. So again, looking back at that weekly time frame, it's quite telling that we have the 50 period moving average was very nicely holding above the 200 this entire time, and it looks like it's now time for the bulls to come back in and then grind their way higher. Next major stop above 1298 or so is going to be around 1311, and then we'll probably confirm support around 1300 again before we break up higher to those 1320s and then head up higher above 1350 and 1360. So looking at a very nice move here. It looks like the continuance of a nice bullish move definitely going to be coming. And in looking, after we break above those 1370s, be a very nice move up to about 1500 and then onwards to 1700. So the bulls look like they're definitely here to stay. This is the start of something, I believe, cannot be ignored. Dollar weakness looks to be, back in action as far as the trend down. Just watching my dollar index video and you'll see what I'm looking at. And same thing with the dollar yen. It just looks like we're going to see a continued meltdown situation over the next few sessions. So it'll be interesting how it all plays out. But gold definitely caught a lot of us off guard here in the fact that we did not break lower to test those 1260s near that 200 period moving average. But right now it's definitely looking very nice. Like I said, maybe a little pullback to around 1287, 1286 area, and then another attempt higher for the price of gold. So that's what I'm seeing overall. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you had a great weekend. Monday, it's time to get back at it. And the next video update for the public is going to be released on Wednesday evening. Thanks again for watching.